Hi guys, I'm Anita, I'm a makeup artist. So this is part 1 of the full makeup tutorial. I'd urge you to go to my page and check the other tutorials. So I'm shaping my eyebrows. I start by applying oil, then I brush them upwards. You hold the razor like that so that you can come up with a straight line, which will be of help while drawing your eyebrows. Then you'll just hold the eyebrows like that while shaping the other parts. And guys, keep booking for slots. We have classes, we have bridal makeup, we have events makeup, we have creative makeup, we have all makeup. Make sure you continue booking. We have some slots, guys. You shave, you cut the upper parts, yes, just like that, to remove the excess hairs or eyebrows. Yeah, you hold the razor like that for the straight line again. Then the lower side, you do the same thing. That is to remove the excess hairs. You don't need excess hairs, so the eyebrows can look flawless and not excessively bushy. Yeah, you hold the razor like that and make sure you're careful that you won't hurt yourself. Then you look at them. Yeah guys, I did one offline and that's it. Guys, make sure you go to my page, check out the full eyebrows tutorial. Bye.